real quick, but I want to show you what you would find in a box for golden tier of Charlotte Tilbury Ambassador Program. I just received it a few minutes ago and I had a quick look, but now let me show it to you. So as always, beautiful packaging, and inside we have Pillow Talk Luxury Palette, color coded eyeshadows, and this is in shade Pillow Talk. Then we have Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand High Blush, and this is in shade Pinkgasm. And the last thing, it's Iconic Magic Cream, so this is 50 milliliters. So these three things you would find in golden tier box.